Hi guys, my name is Ayushri. Today we are going to Zanzibar. That's our ferry over there. So we are waiting for our ferry. We are done our tickets. Okay, we are getting in the ferry. Let's go inside. Oh my God, it is so beautiful. Oh my gosh, now we are finding our seats. Okay, that's me. We find our seat. If something happened, they are showing over there important things like that. After this, snacks time. After snacks, we went in front. It was very windy, and look at the view. It's so beautiful. So beautiful. Oh, now we are in Zanzibar. Oh my gosh, we done vacation. Now we're doing immigration. It's so beautiful. I'm so excited. Okay, that's our Kaka. Meet Kaka. That's the beach over there. It was so beautiful. Look at the buildings. They're making building. So it was so beautiful over there. Then we take a break over here. I see you in my next vlog. Bye bye.